What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode. My name is Andrew Noble, and you are watching Hot Wheels Dad. Today's episode is going to be a really awesome episode. We are officially getting wheels for the Audi R8. Now, I really do like these wheels. They are the stock 19-inch wheels. I have some 305s, 30 ZR19s in the back, and I have some 235 ZR19s in the front. Now, I actually have powder coated these wheels a satin black. Originally, they came a kind of like silverish color, like a dark gunmetal gray, and I went ahead and powder coated them black. I really think the satin black really sets off the rest of the car. You got a ton of black accents on there. You got the black carbon fiber side blade, the black carbon fiber wing, and I wrapped the roof in a black color and the mirror caps in a black color. So the white and black look really looks good in the car. So I'm definitely gonna go ahead and keep the wheels black. We are putting 20-inch rims on the Audi R8, and I'm really excited to get this done. It's been something I've been wanting to do since I got the car, and now it's officially being done. I'm not gonna reveal what type of wheels I'm getting put on just quite yet, but you guys are gonna see in this episode. We need to go ahead and use the F-150 for this because we're gonna go ahead and go pick up the tires. So we're heading out, and then we're gonna come home and we're gonna install the wheels and tires on the Audi R8 in the garage. But first, we do have to make a stop, one that is completely necessary in order for me to get these wheels. Of course, I'm talking about the bank. We gotta go to Wells Fargo and pick up some cash. Hopefully I have sufficient funds. I don't know. We'll just have to see how it goes. Let me head into the bank. I do not think they will allow me to record in the bank, so let me go in and pick up that cash. Oh man, this is not good. I'm here in the fast track on the way to pick up the wheels, and looks like we had a little accident here. Someone coming into the fast track lanes, blocking that lane. Ooh, no good. All right, so I just picked up the wheels. I'm over here in Orange County. I picked the wheels. I'm so excited. They look so good. Well, let me give you a nice little, kind of a little sneak peek here. Let's check it out. Oh, there they are. That's all you get. And then I will show you how they look once I get them put on the car. I'm super excited to get these put on. Let's roll out and get them installed. Okay, I get it. You've waited patiently enough. Okay, we're here. We just made it home with the new wheels. I have not put them on yet, but I will give you a little bit of a preview, you should say. Let's check out the new wheels on the Audi R8. Boom! There they are, baby. They are Gen 2 wheels on a Gen 1 R8. I have not yet installed them. As you can see, I still have my stock wheels on there, but dang, look at how good that looks. It's gonna be a clean look. These came off a 2017. The guy barely drove them. He said he put like 2,000 miles on them. It still has the stock Pirelli P0s on there. 305 30 ZR20. So they are 20-inch wheels that are going on there. Coming from that 19-inch wheel, it's gonna fill up that gap pretty good, as you guys can see. Let me tell you something real quick. Okay, so here's the other wheels and tires here. I do have to wait for a hub-centric ring to come in. So basically, the hub millimeters on the rears are a little bit bigger than the hub millimeters on the fronts. Let me show you the fronts real quick. They're a little bit bigger than the hubs on the front. So I'll do a side-by-side here so you guys can actually see the difference. Here is a side-by-side comparison. So as you can see, that hub measurement on here is a little bit bigger than it is on here. For the Gen 1 Audi R8, I'm pretty sure all the way around all four are this size right here, 57.1 millimeters. This should be a direct fitment to the front, but again, the rears, I'm gonna need to get that hub-centric ring to fit right into here and to bring that down. I believe these are a 66.6 millimeter, and then that hub-centric ring will bring it down to that 57.1 millimeter that I will need to fit all the way around. So pretty sure I will not need to do the hub-centric rings up front, but as soon as I get those in the mail, I have ordered them from Amazon. As soon as I get those, I will do the install. So by tomorrow, hopefully I should get those hub-centric rings, and then by tomorrow, I'll get the wheels and tires added on to the Audi R8.
The next day.
So I'm gonna start with pulling these wheels off. I'm gonna get out my jack, but everything you need to remove the wheels is in the front of the car. This little guy right here pulls off the center cap piece, and then I should be able to take the lug nuts off with this guy right here. And then I believe there is a key lock. I'm gonna start with this and we're gonna see how it goes. I'm gonna pull the rear wheel off first because I do wanna check the hub, and I wanna check and see if I do need the hub rings that I purchased, which are these guys right here. These are the hub-centric rings that I purchased to hopefully fit the rear tires to the hub of this one. So I won't know until I get this wheel pulled off. All right, all the lug nuts are loosened up, so I'm gonna go ahead and jack up the car and pull these wheels off. I do have this puck that is specifically for the Audi R8, which allows you to lift up the entire side via the center jack point here. It goes right on top of the jack like this, and then it fits right there, dead center. Fits right there, and it allows you to jack up the car from the center, which is awesome because it can lift both the front and the rear up at the same time to make our lives a whole lot easier. Now I should just be able to pull them off. And it does, it comes right off. Easy peasy. So let's give this wheel hub ring a test and see if it fits this hub. It looks like it does. I probably need to clean this hub a little bit. As you can see, there's a little bit of rust around here, so I'm gonna take a wire brush and kind of just clean this up around here. That should allow me to fit this hub ring right onto there. And I'm just gonna take this and I'm gonna clean up this hub a little bit here. Might be a little hard to do it with one hand and recorder, so I'm just gonna show you how I do it. But then I'm gonna go ahead and just stop recording and clean up the rest. All right, and there you have it. And the first wheel is installed onto the R8. It looks so good. I can't wait to drop down that jack right there and just see the way it fits in there, but it looks like it fits good. It looks like the caliper has some clearance in there, and it looks like that hub is pretty flush all the way around. What's up, what's up? Slow BRZ in the house. How's it going? Oh, look at you, you brought me some tools.
I got a heavy ass
Oh, look at that big
wrench.
old torque wrench you got there. Makes my life a whole lot easier.
Oh yeah.
I already kind of got it going a little bit, but you know what? Can always use some help. All right, moment of truth. We got to check fitment here. You ready?
Yeah.
All right. Still got a little wheel gap there.
But then again, you jacked up the car, so when you actually start driving,
It'll settle.
Yeah.
It'll settle a little bit. So much more like sportier, I think.
agree. Honestly, it looks like you bought an aftermarket wheel.
Agreed. I really like the Gen 2 wheels a lot. As soon as I saw them, they actually remind me of the wheels that I had on my GT500 a lot, like the Venom wheels.
Oh, I know what you mean. I know what you mean. I remember.
Looks good. All right, let's torque it down.
I don't know if you ever used a torque wrench before, but that sound is like usually when it's torqued.
Got it. That little click. Rachel in the house. Woo, woo. What do you think of the new wheel and tire setup?
I like it.
Yeah?
Very nice.
It looks good. It looks definitely more like sporty, right?
Yes, I agree.
Compared to those.
I do like it. I really do.
Five spokes are not just too generic and basic.
Yeah, I agree. I agree. Now they're aggressive, multi-spoke.
No doubt, when you go to a car show, people are gonna eye on those wheels.
They will. They're gonna be like, are those Gen 2 wheels? They sure are. All right, so we just took it for the first test drive and there's no rubbing issues. There's no like sound issues. There's no wobbling or anything. So they seem to be pretty good. We're just gonna torque them down one more time after that first test drive. So spec is like 95-ish. So we're gonna go right around there. That way we know they're torqued down to spec. I'm so happy, you guys, with how this turned out. You don't even know. I've been standing out here the last like hour and a half just staring at the wheels, looking at them and just checking them out because I'm so happy with how the wheels turned out on this car. Gen 2 R8 wheels, it really does modernize modernize the car. It really gives it just a more modern and more aggressive look. Definitely the look I was going for, so I'm super, super happy with how they turned out. Leave a comment down in the comment box down below what you guys think about these new wheels. I want to thank you for tuning in to this episode of Hot Wheels Dad. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. It really does help me out. It helps my channel grow and helps me out to more and more people. Check my social pages out, Hot Wheels Dad, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Always remember, you are the maker of your own story, so don't forget to make it legendary. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace